In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite users in Confluence. Whether you're onboarding new members to your team or collaborating with external partners, knowing how to efficiently add users is essential for effective project management. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step, ensuring you're equipped to manage your Confluence space seamlessly. To start, you'll want to navigate to your Confluence homepage. This is your primary dashboard from where you can access all the features and settings available to you. Once you're on the homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll find a gear icon, which is the gateway to all the administrative settings. Go ahead and click on this icon. It's your entrance to the management tools you'll need for inviting users. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be presented with several options. Among these is User Management. Selecting this will transport you to a pivotal section where all user-related configurations happen. Control over your team's Confluence access is at your fingertips here. Once in User Management, you'll see an option to Invite Users. This button is key. Clicking it initiates the process of adding new members to your Confluence site. Now, you'll need to type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Be precise with these email entries, as any typos can lead to invitations being undelivered. It's a good idea to double-check each email address before proceeding. Inviting users with the right credentials ensures they receive proper access and keeps your workflow uninterrupted. Next, it's time to choose roles for your new users. Confluence provides several roles such as User, Guest, Application Administrator, and Contributor. Each role comes with varying degrees of access and capabilities. Think carefully about what level of access is appropriate for each person you're inviting. For instance, a guest might need read-only access, while a contributor may require full editing permissions. Choosing the right role is critical in maintaining a productive yet secure work environment. Once you've assigned roles, the subsequent step involves selecting a group for the user. Grouping users is a fantastic way to organize your team according to departments, projects, or any other criterion that makes sense for your setup. It also simplifies permission management and communication. Ensure that the group you choose aligns with the role and responsibilities of the new user. After you've filled in the necessary details and gone over your selections one more time, the final action is to hit the Invite Users button. This officially sends out the invitations to join your Confluence space. With these invitations, newcomers will be guided through the setup process, allowing them to join your team and start contributing without delays. And that's it. You're now ready to expand your team in Confluence quickly and efficiently. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you feel confident managing user invitations. Thank you for watching, and enjoy organizing your Confluence environment.